We have another question from GATE 2021 Mechanical Operation for 1 mark. A batch settling experiment is performed in a long column using a dilute dispersion containing equal number of particles of type A and type B in water. Density 1000 kg per meter cube. It is the density of water at room temperature. Type A are spherical particles of diameter 30 micrometer and density 1100 kg per meter cube, and the type B is spherical particles of the diameter 10 micrometer and density is 1900 kg per meter cube. Assuming that Stokes law is valid throughout the duration of experiment, the settled bed would be. So we just need to choose the correct option from this. So first, we know that it is Stokes law regime is applied, so we will calculate the terminal velocities for both the particles. So let's start with the solution. We know the terminal velocity in Stokes law regime is given as ut is equal to dp square into rho p minus rho f into g upon 18 mu, where dp is the density of the particles. Sorry, dp is the diameter of the particle, rho p is the density of particle, minus rho f is the density of the fluid, means that is water, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and mu is the viscosity of the fluid. So for particle A, dp square into A into rho p A minus rho f into g upon 18 mu. Since the rho f, here it is a rho f only, this will be same since we are using the same fluid, right? And viscosity will be also same. For particle B, you will see here utb is equal to dpb and other things are same, right? So terminal velocity ratio UTA upon UTB is equal to dpa square dp upon dpb का whole square, rho pa minus rho f upon rho pb minus rho f. So now we will put the values. UTA upon UTB is equal to 30 upon 10 to the whole square upon the into this. We will get ut upon utb is equal to 1. That means we get ut is equal to utb, means terminal velocity of the particle A and particle B are same. If terminal velocity is same, that means all particles will settle at the same time into the bed experiment, right? And we know what are the options we have the option A consists of homogeneous mixture of type A and type B particles. Since the terminal velocities for both the particles are same, so they will settle at the same time in the bottom. So it will be consist of homogeneous mixture of type A and type B particles, right? Option B will be wrong. Consist of type B particle only, it will be wrong. Be completely segregated with type B particle on top of layer A particles, no, this will be wrong. And B completely segregated with type A particle on top of type particles B, it will also be wrong. So option A will be the correct answer. Thank you.